Festival of Trees. This festival was launched in 1950 by K.M. Munshi, then Union Minister for Agriculture and Food, to build public enthusiasm for planting and protecting trees. Trees are one of the nature's greatest gifts. They give us oxygen to breathe, fruits to eat, medicines to heal us, and shade to protect us.
There was a time when my forests were green, my rivers sparkled, birds sang happily, the air was fresh. But today, something has changed.
Same too, the nature complains. Sweet. Mother Earth, every day thousands of trees are cut down. People enjoy my shade. They breathe the oxygen I give. They eat my fruits. Yet they forgot to protect